Beautiful. It's quite the swimming hole. Do you ever come swimming here?
No, I've tried, and they won't let me go down there.
Yeah, it's called Poison Oak. Well, I'm glad to know what this place is called and where it is.
Bean Creek.
Bean Creek. Because Abraham and I came here last time, just last June.
I can just see, though, the children playing in this years ago.
Mm-hmm. It's a good place to lie down in that little crook on there.
Oh, yeah.
Get yourself a good back rub. If you don't fall off the edge of the rock. I see one of the gum tree blossoms. I see a blossom from the gum tree.
You know, Jim Ray worries too much.
Men are like that.
Saying, Jim, get back, you're too close. Look at that rock down there. It's got stripes in it.
It's got spikes in it?
Stripes.
Oh yeah.
Wide ones. What's the difference in that?
There's gold in them
Oh, I
narcos.
bet it is. Probably a lot of gold coming down through there. This shovel's probably